About Preferences. The Illustrator Preferences file manages the commands and panel settings in Illustrator. When you open Illustrator, the positioning of panels and commands are stored in the Illustrator Preferences file. In addition, numerous program settings are stored in the Preference file, including general display options, file saving options, performance options, type options, and options for plugins and scratch disks. Most of these options are set in the Preferences dialog box. Preference settings are saved each time you quit the application. Unexpected behavior may indicate damaged preferences. If you suspect damage to preferences, restore preferences to their default settings. Set a preference. 1. Do one of the following. Windows, choose Edit Preferences, Preference Set Name. macOS, choose Illustrator Preferences, Preference Set Name. With nothing selected, click the Preferences button on the control panel. 2. Select an option from the menu on the left of the Preferences dialog box to switch to another preference set. Reset Preferences. To reset the preferences for Illustrator. 3. Click the Reset Preferences button in the General tab of the Preferences dialog. To manually restore preferences to default. Remove or rename the Adobe Illustrator Prefs file. When you restart Illustrator, a new preference file will be created in the original location. To restore preferences quickly using a keyboard shortcut, press and hold Alt plus Control plus Shift, Windows, or Option plus Command plus Shift, macOS, as you start Illustrator. The new preferences files are created the next time you start Illustrator. Depending on the operating system that you are using, the Illustrator Preferences file is available at the following location. Mac OS. OS disk /users/username/library/preferences/Adobe Illustrator version number settings /n_US*/ Adobe Illustrator Prefs. Windows. OS disk /users/username/AppData/roaming/Adobe Illustrator version number settings /n_US*/x64 Adobe Illustrator Prefs. Reset Illustrator. Manually copy the file location and paste, then backup Adobe Illustrator 26 settings folder and delete the original folder. Thanks for watching ITMaster channel.